Thank you for welcoming me once again. So in our previous tutorials, we were talking about the customer, and now we are going to talk about the supplier. So the supplier, you have the supplier. The supplier, this is for small shops. So if you don't have a company or a supplier, you can create one supplier as you using your own name, your company name, to create one supplier over here that you can be used in operating the system in order to keep quality records. Okay, to keep your records. That's why all this thing comes in. So if you follow the system, you will see that every day in and day out, you'll be able to manage your system. You'll be able to manage your stock, either your shop is running loss or you're making profit. So take time and do all these things once and for all. Okay, so after you create a supplier, you come to supplier delivery. When you talk about supplier delivery, anytime they will bring items, or anytime you go for items, if you don't have a supplier, anytime you go for items, when you come here, you just select your name that you created in the supplier list. You put it here. You write your description, small description concerning what you went for. And at first, when you look at the old software, all of this, you list the items, and you saw that takes time. So now you've made it in a picture form. So the invoice that you went for, most of the time when you go for items, you definitely will have an invoice or receipts. So any document that you have on that particular product that you went for, it just comes here, you just take a picture of it and you put it on your computer, just simple as that. Or if you have a scanner, you scan it, and any amount that a document that you have on that particular product that you want for, you just load them here and you have them all over here. And so you have all fast, then you can load it into the system, just simple as that, as you can see. So that's how. So in order to keep the records, in order to keep the previous and your records in case of anything. And total payment. So over here, if you go for items, those shops that go for items on credit, so over here will help you in order to know how you are how do you call it, paying your money, paying your debt, right? So when you come to entry, you select the company name, or if your name, then you select it. If you don't have any earnings, you don't have to do anything over here. But if you're having earnings, if you're having a payment that you need to do, then you can use this one to manage or follow up and know how your payment is being going. Okay, so now over here, you write your invoice number or the badge number, any number that can give you identification of that particular transactions that you have been making. You can provide it here. So you provide any number and you provide the amount that you have to pay. So now you register a particular amount that you are going to pay for that particular supplier. So the supplier name is there, the current payment and current bills, payable amount that you need to pay. So anytime you want to pay, so you go to edit, and when you come to the edit, you will see that you have the company and the supplier's name, the batch number, and you just current payment. So how much are you paying? So let's say you're only 200, so you're paying 30 out of it. So the 30 out of it will let you 170. Okay, so you are not going to bill again. Over here, the supplier current bills billing. If the supplier is bringing you another items and you want to add it into this particular billing, that's why you write it here. But let's take it, no supplier bill again. So let's save it. So you can see over here, current payment, so you pay 30 cedis, and payable amount that you need to pay is here. So the next time when you go again, then you select if that particular you are paying again, then you come, let's say you pay 50 cedis, then you click save. It's very simple, and as you can see, you pay 50 cedis, and now your payment, the amount that you need to pay is 170, and your total payment is 80 cedis. So in this case, you can monitor whatever that you are being paid to a particular supplier. Okay, so that's how that place goes. So I hope you're enjoying the software, how the software functions. So try to subscribe to my channel so that you will be able to have access to the rest of the video anytime I will be loading them. And in order to use the software to manage your business, how it's running, how they're making profit or loss. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.